Hello everyone, I'm your host for today's live training. So my name is Hussein once again, and I'm your host for today's training. So I would love you guys to watch this video to the end, watch this training to the end, because there is a bonus gift at the end of this training, which I would not want you to miss out. So watch this video, watch this training to the end of this video, so you'll be able to get the bonus gift at the end of this training. So the main objective of this training is to help you understand how the app creation business industry works, how to start your app creation and investment journey to wealth creation. Plus, you will need to take a very, very important action at the end of this training to start investing in this skillful business, which can make you up to 500K to a million naira monthly. No joke. This is the power of app creation. So a bit about myself and how I started my journey. So my journey on app creation and my journey in general. So my name is Hussein once again, as I told you guys. So I've been creating app for at least 3 years, about 3 years now. My YouTube channel. I'll be putting my YouTube channel on the screen right here, so you all can see my channel. I've been creating videos for about 3 years. I also create trading videos, but mainly I am focused. My main source of income is app creation. So I have different source of income. I'm a business owner. I also have a physical business I run. I'm a business owner. I am a professional app creator. I've been doing this for over 3 years. Mentored hundreds of students over the years. I also have investors I create apps for, and at the end of the month we split profit according to everybody's investment. So I have various businesses. So in this training, you'll be learning a lot. You'll be learning a lot of things about app creation. I'll be exposing a lot of things about app creation to you. So a bit about myself and how I started. I didn't just wake up one day and start creating apps. There is a story behind everything. I was a factory worker before I started this journey. I was working in a factory. The job was hell. So the job was hell. I went to school also. I went to school. I went to Kwara State Polytechnic Ilorin. Did about 2 years. I didn't finish, my school, curriculum because of, funds then, I had to drop out at the point because of funds. So, I came back from school. Didn't because I had a job I was doing before I went to school. But, when I came back, I already lost a lot of customers. So when I came back, I had to look for a weekly job. So I was working at a stone factory. I was working at a stone factory. So there was a decision I made then that is helping me to date, which is content creation and app creation. So I started making content. I just started making videos randomly, but then I stumbled about videos about app creation. I catch up interest in it. That is how the journey started. Started hustling, saving up to pay for mentorship, learning free YouTube videos, saving up to pay for mentorship. And what really helped me then is mentorship. I had to look for someone that is professional in this niche that I want to and mentor me. That is why you have to learn first. So I had to look for a mentor that mentored me, that makes the journey easier for me. So because when you are learning, you need somebody to go to whenever you have issues, somebody to run to whenever you have issues. You will not want to be a person whereby you are learning whenever you hit a roadblock, you just repeat the same step and hit a roadblock and not have anybody to guide you. You need somebody to pull your hands up whenever you have issues in the journey through the process. So this is just a short story about myself. I don't want this intro to be too long. So let's just move on to the main part, guys. So let's go, guys. So what is app creation? App creation just simply means creating of mobile apps. So I know a lot of people might be new to this whole, app creation of a thing. And, that is why this training is here to enlighten you and to educate you and teach you, guide you about the app creation and its potential and teach you, educate you how to start creating your own mobile app. So it is just a way of creating mobile apps for everyday users, whether it's a gaming app, there are different kind of apps, and you'll be learning everything in this training, everything you need to know about how to create an app from start to finish. You will be learning everything in this training. So moving on. So how does app creation even works for beginners and people who doesn't really understand how this app creation works? So 15 years ago, like let me just say 10 to 15 years ago, before you start thinking of creating an app, you need to get a developer. You need thousands of dollars to create an app, like thousands of dollars, and it will take you months. But in today's world, you can just create an app with a single prompt. You can create an app and start making money from that app in a single month if you have the right knowledge and understanding how it's been done. So there are two ways of creating apps. There is the coding side, and there is the no coding side, which is the professional way of creating app and the solo way of creating apps. So and in today's era, everybody is adapting to the solo way of creating app because it is more cheaper and more easy. It is more cheaper and more easy, and it is less time consuming. You can create a professional app in a single day. In less than hours, in less than few hours, you can create an app, launch the app, connect the app to an advertising platform, and start earning from it, and start pushing out the app, promoting the app to its potential users. So this is the best part of app creation and the new era of app creation. These new technologies, new AI technologies, new app, new websites are coming up whereby you can use those websites to your advantage with just few prompts. You'll be learning how to create everything, with how to create an app with just a single prompt. Just put the prompt into the AI website. It will generate a already made app for you, no matter what kind of app you want to create. So moving on. So how does an app make money? So there are few ways of how we app developers, and you upcoming app developer would be able to generate revenue from your app. So first, we make money from downloads. So whenever any users downloads our app or your app, you make money from that. We also make money from app users. So the more users your app gets, the more money you make. And the main source of incomes of an app creator is ads and subscription. So you will notice whenever you are using some apps, whenever you are using some apps, you might get a section whereby you want to get to a section and there is a limitation to it, and they will tell you that pay a certain fee, maybe a YouTube subscription. Just think it as a YouTube subscription. YouTube will tell you pay a certain fee monthly, so they will be able to remove ads on your app. So you will not be able to see ads again, and you'll be able to download some exclusive movies or some exclusive, anything video, anything exclusive, anything premium on their platform. So this subscription, these app platforms make money from that. So we solo creators like this, we mainly focus on ads. So depending on the kind of app you are creating, you can either use ads to monetize your app, or use subscription to monetize your app, depending on the kind of app you are creating for your users. So these are the four source of income of an app developer. So I hope you guys are following up and understanding the whole process behind app creation and monetization. So moving on. So I'll be showing you my personal earnings. So this is my dashboard. So if you can look at the date here, this is January 1st, 2026 to January 10th. I'm recording this live video on the 10th Saturday, 2026. So this is my earnings from January 4th to January 10th, which is today. So as you can see on my balance here, I have over $214.94, and I've gotten over 480,000 impressions. So this is the traffic that came into my app. So I have like few apps I have connected with this ads account, with this advertising platform account. So that is why this impression is so high. So this is the potential, and this thing is still loading. Today is on the 10th. So imagine if I have made such over $214 from January 1st to January. This is just 10 days interval. So how much do you think would come out from this account when the month ends? So this is just the potential of creating apps, the potential of app creation and monetization. So I'm not just coming here telling you do this. I am doing this personally. This is my source of income. That is why I can confidently come here and tell you, let's do this together. So moving on, guys. So the main reason why we are here is how to create app. So, and there are various ways of creating an app, and which I told you in the past, whereby there is a coding part and there is a no coding part. So we are focusing on the no coding part. And the best part of this training is that creating all these apps would be for free. You'll be creating all these apps for free without paying any dime. You'll be learning how to create this app for free. So there are a lot of platforms out there that you will have to pay a fee monthly to get access to their premium features for you to be able to create an app with their AI intelligence. But what you'll be learning in this training is how to do it for free without paying anything. So till the time you are able to start earning from your app, and you are able to start making money from your app and paying for premium features. But the standard feature whereby you'll be able to use to kickstart your app creation journey, you'll be getting everything for free. You'll be getting how to start these things for free, how to launch your app for free, how to start everything, how to cut out expensive anything. You are not paying for anything. What you're just paying for is after maybe you feel that you have gotten to a stage where you feel that okay, you want to upgrade your skill set, you want to do more things. So if you pay for that, you get more features. But the basic things you will need to create apps for yourself, and just a beginner friendly way, because as a beginner, you don't really need to start spending lots of money. You have to understand how the ecosystem of app creation works. When you get to a stage, you feel confident and you have made money, you will confidently put money back into what gave you that money. So moving on, guys. So how to start monetizing your app? Because when you create an app, you will also need an advertising platform, and we have various advertising platforms. We have Google Admob, we have Facebook, you know, Facebook. We have Facebook. Facebook also, have a platform whereby you monetize your app with them. We have Unity, we have Start.io, we have Monetag, different types of advertising platforms. But the main focus and the most common one is Admob, which is owned by Google itself, and Start.io, which I use personally and I love. So if you want to go the Admob way, you'll be learning everything on how to, connect your app to an Admob account and start earning from Admob. But there is a lot of process behind that. But the most easiest way, which is the Start.io way, which is just create an app and just click some few buttons and you are connected and your ad is ready to your app is ready to show ads. So these advertising platforms are going to place ads on your app. So whenever a user comes to your app, they click on those ads, they view those ads, you make money from that. And whenever a user downloads your app, uses your app, you will also be making money from those activities. So this is what the advertising platforms you would be paying you for. So that is just the art of app monetization. So this is just a simple explanation to it. So what you'll be learning from this training. So you'll be learning how to create app of your choice, any app of your choice with AI without writing a single code. Creating apps like gaming app, dating app, e-commerce app, video sharing app, you name it, and many more. Different app of your choice. Any app you have, any idea, any app idea you have, AI is gonna create it. Just put in those prompts and it is gonna generate you a ready-made app for you. Design it for you, organize your app for you, do the back end, do the front end, anything, interface, everything. These AI platforms are already made AI platforms whereby you put in this prompt and you're already having an app to publish immediately. So you also be learning how to publish your app for free. So you'll be learning how to publish your app for free. So there is a $25 fee required by Google. So to get a Google developer account, so you can start publishing your app on Play Store. But there is a free way I and my students also use to publish our apps without paying a dime. So you'll be learning how to publish your app. And if you also want to go the $25 route and you will see your app live on Play Store, which everybody uses, you can also do that way. But if you as a beginner, you don't really have much, just publish your app freely. When you make money from this app, you can use the money you make from your apps generated, upgrade it to Play Store so you can spread your wings so your apps can get more downloads from different app stores. So, and you also be learning how to do market research, because you can't just create an app and expect a rocket science or expect a miracle. Because in today's world, there are a lot of apps. Because the app you are trying to create, somebody else has created the app. And if you're not doing your thorough market research, you will just dive into competition, because the idea you have on your app, somebody else might have that idea and it might be winning in that area. So you don't want to be putting yourself in too much competition as a new developer and a beginner. So you want to niche down, look at what people really need that people are not providing, and fill up that space. So fill up that space. Don't key into too much competition. So you'll be able to win faster than competing with the crowd, because there are a lot of people winning out there with their app. So you will not want to go compete with those giants, because there are already people creating those apps you want to create, those common apps. So you have to learn market research on how to create apps that people don't really create, but it is a very profitable and not so common app. So you also be learning how to rank your app to get more downloads, because there is an SEO related with an app. So if we upload an app, there's how we do SEO just like YouTube, so your app can rank faster and get more download. So because you are creating an app that has less competition, if you do a proper SEO for that app, there is a higher chance you will get more downloads faster and the app will be able to get, seen faster by app users. So, and potentially get more download faster because of the SEO you're doing. So how to promote your app for free with proven promotion strategies to making your first $500 to $1,000 with app creation. So there are two ways to promote an app: the free way, the algorithm way, which is the App Store promoting your app for you, and you paying promotional fee to promote your apps yourself. So as a beginner also, there are free ways to promote an app without even paying a dime if you have the proper knowledge about it. So you'll also be learning how to promote your apps for free, to getting downloads, to getting app users, to making your first $500 to $1,000 monthly. As a beginner, you might not see this figure, but if you put in the right framework, you learn the right skill, you put in the right framework and follow the steps I'm about to show you in this training, this figure is achievable with the steps you'll be learning from this training. So the last on my list here is you also be learning how to monetize your app the right way, how to monetize your app the right way and start earning monthly income from your own app. So I told you before, there are tons of ways you can use to monetize your app. And if you don't understand how this monetization works, you just get stuck at the end of the day. So, and there are different kind of platforms. There are platforms that if you make money from this platform, at the end of the day, you will not get paid. So you will not want to start with a platform whereby at the end of the month, they'll just suspend your account. I have had an experience with such platform before. I made a video about it a few years ago, but because a creator base that is not really as big, so if you make such videos, it might not get seen as much as you want to. But the few people who saw it at least learned something from it. you know some platforms will refuse to pay you because you are earning from them, and they just don't want to pay you because the platform is a scam. So if you don't have the proper knowledge about the right platform to monetize it, which is Start.io and Google Admob, these are the platforms I can trust, and there are other platforms I can also trust, which I'll be exposing all to you in the training. So if you don't know these platforms well and understand how they work, you will just fall into the wrong hands, and it will not be nice for you to put in your work, put in energy, and at the end of the day, you'll see your revenue and you will not be able to get paid. You'll not be able to withdraw this, or they will suspend your account for no reason. So you'll be learning how to monetize your app the right way with the right platforms. So moving on. So for this training, I dedicated two sections to this training, which is the basic training part and the VIP training part. So let me give you an explanation about the basic training part, which consists of mentorship and training. So you'll just be getting mentorship classes and training videos. So, and you ask me question, any issues you have, you ask me questions, I answer you. And when you create an app, you don't understand something, send me a DM, ask me question, anything you need to correct, I'll guide you. Maybe you want to monitor when you get to a stage whereby you want to monetize, want to do promotion, you are anything you don't understand, you'll be getting video tutorials. But sometimes you might hit a roadblock whereby you don't understand. You also need a professional guide to guide you and clarify things to you. You'll be getting all this from the basic training. So moving on is the VIP. So for my VIP members and students and investors, so what you'll be getting in the VIP class is you'll be getting my own personal service. My team and my own personal service will be creating these apps for you. Will be creating these apps for you, publish it for you, help you monetize these apps for you to start earning. So you'll also be learning at the same time. So we will be creating, doing the hard work for you. You will also be learning at the same time, because anything you want to do, you have to also have an experience about it. So whenever you're having any issue, you can know how to solve it. So it will not be nice for for someone to just create an app for you and you don't know anything about it. You also have to have some basic knowledge about it. So if they are explaining something to you, you can easily understand and know where they are coming from. So you'll be learning, and you'll also be getting my own and my team personal service. We'll be creating these apps for you, help you create it, help you publish it, help you monetize it. So this is what you'll be getting from the VIP training. So to get access to the basic training, to get access is just 25,900 instead of 60,000 naira. So this is the access fee to get access to the basic training class. So if you're paying in dollars, which is just $24, I made this affordable for everyone because I want a lot of people to get access. That is why this price is set to this amount. So for just 29,500 naira, you'll be getting access to the basic training and mentorship class. So for my VIP members, to get access to the VIP class, and there is a huge discount on the VIP class. The main price for this VIP class is 95,000 naira, because there is a lot of work in this VIP, service, because we'll be creating this house for you, doing all the hard work for you. So it is expensive than the basic training class, but there is a current discount now, and this price will be changing soon. So you'll be getting the VIP training and VIP service for 49,500 naira instead of 95,000 naira, which is the initial price. This price will be changing soon, would be changing very, very soon. So if you want to get access to the VIP class, this is the right time to get access, because if you come now, if you come later, if you come late, this price might change back to the initial main price. So for the VIP members, you'll be just paying 49,500 now, which is about around $34 to get access to the VIP training. I would have raised this training fee to around 200k or even 300k, but I want a lot of serious minded people who are already dedicated to get access to this training, and also considering the fact of the current state of the country. So you will not be paying all that to get access to this training. So you will not be paying $100, $200, 100k to 200k to get access. So to get access to this training, you just be paying 29,500 naira for the basic training course and mentorship, and for the VIP members, you'll be paying 49,500 naira, which is around $34 to get access to our personal service, and you'll also be learning at the same time. So this is what you'll be paying for the VIP and the basic training class. So to get instant access, just send me a DM with the word app. Just send a DM with the word app. If you're serious, send me a DM right now with the word app, and I will send you details on how to get access. So send me a DM with the number 081 48 45 13 58 on WhatsApp with the word app. I'll send you immediate details on how to get access, and you'll get access to the classes immediately. So you can also pay to this account number on the screen right here. So you can pay to this above account number on the screen right here and send me proof of payment to this number on the screen right here to get instant access. So send a DM now to get access to the class, and I'll see you in class. So class is already about to kickstart. So send a DM now. Send a DM now before the class prices change, because it will be changing very, very soon. So I want a lot of people to get access. That is why the prices are so low, but it will be changing very soon. So send a DM now, and I'll see you in class. I want to applaud you all for showing up for this class, because if you are able to watch this video to this extent, it shows that you really want to change something in you. You really want to learn these skills. You really want to understand how money is being made online, because there are tons of ways to make money online, and most people, most mentors just come here, talk a lot of garbage, and just tell you this is it, and something they are not really doing. So for you to be able to stick around to this point, it shows that you really, really want to change something in you. You really, really want to learn these skills, and I applaud you all for that. So there's an old saying by Les Brown that said, if you want to be rich, watch what the rich people do every day and do it, and watch what the poor people do every day and do it. So this is a saying by Les Brown. If you want to be rich, just follow what the rich people do. If you want to be poor, follow what the poor people do, and you will get their individual results. So send me a DM now, and I'll see you in class.